Many people believe a simple, yet dangerous myth about smoking. The myth says the worst thing smoking does is stain your teeth yellow. While tobacco does cause stubborn stains, that's only the visible part. Think of the yellowing as the tip of the iceberg. There's deeper, more significant damage beneath the surface. It unfolds in the delicate tissues of your gums. It affects the very bone that holds your teeth in place. This guide will gently walk you through the facts, non-judgmental and practical. Understanding the full picture is the first step to reclaiming oral health. Are you ready to look deeper? When you inhale smoke, you are introducing a cocktail of over 7,000 chemicals into your body, and your mouth is the first point of contact. These chemicals have a profound and immediate effect. They make the sticky film of bacteria, plaque, much harder to clean off your teeth. This supercharged plaque becomes a breeding ground for germs that cause cavities. This plaque also causes gum inflammation. More critically, substances like nicotine act as vasoconstrictors. They narrow the tiny blood vessels that supply your gums with oxygen. They also cut off nutrients to the gums. This reduced blood flow is a major problem. It cripples your gums' natural ability to fight infection. It also prevents them from healing from everyday wear and tear. That sets the stage for more serious health issues down the road. In a non-smoker, early gum disease often announces itself with red gums, swollen gums, bleeding gums. For a smoker, these classic warning signs are often masked. Because nicotine restricts blood vessels, the gums may not bleed easily even when severely infected. Gums might appear less inflamed than they are, giving a false sense of security. It's like having a fire alarm with the batteries removed. The damage continues to escalate beneath the gum line. Smoke toxins weaken the connective tissues that attach gums to teeth. Gums pull away, forming deep pockets. Those pockets become reservoirs for harmful bacteria. The bacteria then attack the bone that supports your teeth. Over time, that bone can literally dissolve away. Bone resorption. As the supporting bone diminishes, teeth loosen and can shift. Teeth may fall out or require extraction. This is how smoking becomes a leading cause of tooth loss in adults. It also slows healing, fuels chronic bad breath, and raises oral cancer risk. It is crucial to become an active observer of your own oral health, especially if they smoke. One of the first things to watch is your gums. Look closely even if they aren't bleeding. Do they seem to pull back, making your teeth look longer? Notice color shifts, pale, reddish, or a dark purplish hue along the edges. Monitor your breath. Smoking-related halitosis is persistent and distinct. If odor lingers after brushing or you rely on mints, consider deeper causes. Pay attention to looseness, shifting teeth, or a bite that suddenly feels different. Sensitivity to hot, cold, or sweet may mean exposed roots from gum recession. Check cheeks, tongue, roof, and floor of your mouth for sores or patches that don't heal in 2 weeks. A sore that lingers, bleeds, or feels numb needs immediate evaluation. Recognizing signs early empowers you to seek effective care without panic. Your mouth is trying to tell you something. Are you listening? Pay attention. The idea of reversing years of damage can feel overwhelming, but you can start the journey in just 7 minutes. In the first minute, call a quit line like 1-800-QUIT-NOW for non-judgmental support. Or text someone you trust. I'm thinking about quitting and I need your support. Now do a thorough brush and floss, gentle along the gum line with fluoride toothpaste. A little bleeding can signal inflammation. Keep going to help it heal. Removing plaque now creates a healthier environment immediately. Swish and drink a full glass of water to counter dry mouth and rinse debris. Grab vitamin C-rich fruit. Your gums need collagen to repair and strengthen. Find a local dentist and say, I'd like to schedule a checkup and cleaning. That's it. One decisive action toward expert care. In 7 minutes, you reached out, cleaned well, hydrated and nourished, and booked help. You have started your reversal plan. Walking into a dental office can be intimidating. Remember, they're here to help. Say, "I'm a smoker and I'm concerned about my mouth. I want to improve it." Ask for a thorough periodontal exam. Pocket depths reveal gum disease. Discuss findings and options to fit your goals. Expect professional cleaning, if needed, scaling and root planing to let gums reattach. Plan frequent cleanings as you heal, and ask about toothpaste, antimicrobial rinse, and an electric brush. Partnership with your dental team is your most powerful asset for long-term oral health. Hope is built on proof. Elena quit, treated gum disease, and a year later her gums were pink and healthy. David thought tooth loss was inevitable. With quitting and treatment, his teeth are stable again. Aisha quit, healed her gums, and became a candidate for an implant. You know the warning signs and the plan. Quit support, pro-care, daily brushing, flossing, hydration, nutrition. Pick one small action right now. Call your dentist or save a quit line. Take 7 minutes to brush, floss, and drink a glass of water with intention. The path to a healthier smile is paved with small, consistent steps. Start walking it today.